Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm out here in beautiful St. Pete Beach, getting ready to do some pompano fishing. Beautiful place out here. Today is windy. It seems like this whole month of March just been extremely windy, so nothing new, but I'm still gonna give it a try. I'm out here with the family. They're having their beach day, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see what's going on out here. So stay tuned, everyone. Okay, everyone, let me show you what I'm using real quick. I'm using my 7-foot Okuma rod, using the Dock Scoopy jig with my homemade teaser. I have the BG 2500. I'm using 10-pound braid with 20-pound mono as my leader. The Dock Scoopy jig is a 3/8 ounce jig. Like I said, very windy. Not sure how the bite is gonna be. Everybody knows when it's windy like this and the water's all stirred up, pompano bite is not as great. So let's still give it a try. I'm using 3/8 ounce jigs. I might have to switch over to a 1/2 ounce. The tide is moving pretty fast. Something small. Small jack. Alright guys, small little jack. Going back. Try it again. Got him. Got something. Oh yeah, I think he foul hooked. Whatever it is, it feels pretty heavy. But I think I just foul hooked them. Man, it's big, whatever it is. Man, I hope it's not a stingray. I hope it's not a stingray. I don't know, his head is shaking pretty good. I can't even see this guy. Yeah. Another jack. He was foul hooked. Look how I hooked him, guys. Right on the back. It's a bigger jack. Just throw him back. Oh, got something. He's fighting good. He's fighting good. Let's see if it's a pump. Let's see if it's a pump. Come on, let it be a pompano. Not another jack. Let it be a pompano. Come on. He's fighting like one. He's fighting like one. Oh, another jack. Another jack. That's okay. I'm having fun with the jacks. Jacks are wild, you know. go, guys. Another jack. Just throw him back. All right, guys. Hooked into something else. The way it's been going, oh, he got loose. Oh, he came back for it. It might be a mackerel. It might be a mackerel, the way he came back for it. He's fighting good too. He's fighting hard. He's pulling. Probably another jack. Oh, big pompano, I think. I think it's a big pompano. Let's see. Is it? It looks like it. Nope, it's a jack. Another jack. All right, guys, that's 4. All right, guys, that's number 4. Number 4. Let's throw him back. All right, let's toss it out again. I just saw someone hooking into a pompano, so hopefully they're running through right now. And let's see if I get one. I switched up the jig. I'm using a pink and white jig with a green teaser. And switching it up. That was my second jack. And on the first jig was it was the yellow on yellow, and I also got 2 jacks off of that one. I just thought about something. I'm gonna go ahead and keep those jacks that I've been catching, so if I land another one, he's coming home with me. And the reason why is because on my last video I went crabbing and I was using some chicken. But these jacks are known to be a really fishy, oily, bloody fish. So I guarantee you, if I put one of those on, or a half a jack or something, it's gonna attract some big blue crabs. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep the next one. That's if I land another one. Hopefully I will. Ooh, just felt the bump. He's still following it. Felt another one. Another one. Got him. Got him. I think it's a ladyfish. I don't know, like I said, if it's another jack, he's coming home with me. Use him in the crab trap. Fighting good. Yep, I see it. It's another one. Another jack. Another jack, so he's going in the ice box. All right, hooked into something else. Feels smaller. Oh my gosh, guys, it's a pompano. It's a small pompano though. Target species, I got him. Pompano. This guy's too small though. They gotta be 11 inches to the fork to keep. He's about, I don't know, maybe 10 and a half. But that's what we're going for, guys, right there. Florida pompano. Throw him back. Nice. All right, so that's 5 jacks, 1 pompano. Gosh, first cast out, got something else. Let's see if it's another pompano. If it is, then they're schooling. They're coming by. This guy feels small. Yeah, it's another pompano, but he's small. Yeah, he's a small guy. All right, there he goes. Pompano number 2, back to back. Yeah, this current is still ripping. It's coming in strong. Ooh, he came up for it. Oh my gosh, he came up for it. Wow. I was bringing it in and he just came up and just snagged it. It's a good size, fighting good. Oh my gosh, this guy's, he's fighting good. Oh, is that a big pomp? Oh, big pompano. I gotta get down here. I gotta get down here. Where's my net? Is it a big pomp? Yeah. No, it's a jack. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, it's a jack. Man, I was like so excited. Okay guys, another jack. That's number 6. 6 jacks, 2 pompanos. Let's try it again. That guy's lucky. He has 7 girls on that boat. Okay, I'm gonna change it up again. I'm going back to the yellow and green. I want something a little brighter since the water's kind of dirty here. All right guys, looking to something else. Ooh, he's digging. He's digging. Oh yeah. Man, he's fighting good. Another big jack. That's number 7. Oh, he's gone. I was going to keep him for the crab trap also, because he was a bigger one. That's the life right there. Look at him, just cruising, listening to some music, enjoying the outdoors. There he goes. All right, back to fishing. All right, guys, got him. That was like another jack. A lot of head shaking. A lot of head shaking. Feels like a jack. Yes, sir. Another jack. There you go. There you go. Just throw him back. We also have a jet ski. I was hooking to something else. Swimming fast. Now you throw small. Now you throw maybe like a small blue runner. Oh, wait a minute. No, he was coming in. He's heavy, actually. Oh, he was swimming towards me. That's a pompano. That's a pompano. That's a keeper one. He's close. No, he's about 11, 12. Okay guys, I measured that fish. He was actually 11 3/4. So he's coming home with me. That's the first keeper. Been here for 2 hours. So I caught 7 jacks, 2 small pompanos, and 1 keeper pompano. And I'm still waiting for this tire to slow down. All right, guys, something else we got. Fighting good. Fighting good. Another jack. Man, a lot of jacks here today. Another jack, guys. All right, let's throw him back. Got him. Oh, yeah. He's swimming in with me. Ah, big old ladyfish. I want to stay away from these guys. These guys are afraid you'll line up real bad and you'll end up losing your jig, your teaser, everything. There he goes. Yeah. I'll get you something else. Just talking about it. He's digging. Another jack. Another jack, guys. Another jack. Just cast it out. Ooh, yeah. He's digging. Another jack. There you go, guys. That's number 11. Okay, guys, I'm done fishing. Wind's picked up. It's gotten real bad out here. The water's very dirty. It's windy. It's kind of cold, so calling it quits. I did end up catching 11 jack crevalles, 3 pompanos, 2 very small ones, around 10 to 11 inches, something like that. Threw them back. I did keep the one. He was almost 12 inches. It was like 11 3/4, so I kept him. Other than that, nothing else. Just enjoying the day out here with my family on the beach and did a little fishing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please shoot me a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next one, guys. Tight lines. Bye.